Good evening, my dear student. This is Surya, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel. Chapter number 4. This is chemistry wala answer. Carbon and its compound. Let us today discuss that the introduction videos of sorts. We will discuss the why do substances burn with or without flame. The topic is why do substances burn with or without flame. So in combustion reaction, what we'll see that light is given out in the form of either glow or a flame. Light will give out the form of either they will glow or they will make it flame. We have already observed that a candle or the LPG in a gas is to burn with a flame where coal or charcoal in an angetti just glows red and gives out the heat without a flame. So my dear student, it is because flame is produced only by vaporous and gaseous substance burned. That is why coal, charcoal, wood, when ignited with temperature, the volatile substance present vaporize and burn with a flame in the beginning and then they just chlorate. So this is the matter why do substance burn with or without a flame. Next one topic is the formation of coal and petroleum. So my dear student, in combustion reaction, light is given out after burning or glow it like a flame. We have already observed that a candle or the LPG in a gas stove burn with a flame where coal or charcoal in an ignition just glows red and give out heat without a flame. That is without a flame. It is because flame is produced only when vaporous and gaseous substance burn. Flame is produced why? When vaporous and gaseous substance is going to burn. That is why coal, charcoal, wood, when ignited to the volatile substance, present vaporize and burn with a flame in the beginning and they just glow red. So this is the topic. Next one is the formation of coal and petroleum. Just you understand, coal and petroleum have been formed. Coal and petroleum have been formed from biomass which has been subjected to various biological and geographical processes. So you can see the coal and petroleum have been formed due to the biomass which has been subjected to different type of biological and geographical processes. Biological and geographical process is that coal is the remains of how coal is formed. Coal is the remains of trees, farms, and other plants that lived millions of years ago. These were crushed into the earth and perhaps by earthquake or volcanic eruption. They were pressed down by layers of earth and rock. They slowly decayed into coal, oil, and gas are remains of the millions of tiny plants and animals that live in the sea. And when they died, their bodies sank on the seabed and they were covered by seals. Bacteria attacked the dead remains and turning them into the oil and gas under the high pressure. They were being subjected to, meanwhile, the silt was slowly compressed into rock and the oil and gas slipped into the porous part of the gut and like a sponge. So, my dear student, it is quite clear that coal and petroleum, first of all, you see the formation of coal. When dead remains and plants and vegetations are buried into the earth by millions of years ago, they crushed into the earth, perhaps by the earthquake and the volcanic eruption. They were pressed under by the layers of earth and rock due to the high temperature and pressure and slowly decayed into coal. The slow conversion of coal and the oil and gas are remains of the millions of tiny plants and animals that lived in the sea. When they died, the body sank in the seabed and were covered by seal. Bacteria attack and dead remains turning into the oil and gas under the high pressure. They were being subjected to. Meanwhile, the seal was compressed into rock and the oil and gas slipped into the porous parts of the rock and get trapped like water in sponge. So my dear students, these are the also important. These are the also important because NCERT highlighted this in a box, and these questions may comes in a different way. Why do the flames of substances with or without flame? Why do substances burn with or without flame? Next is the how can you explain the formation of coal and petroleum? So my dear students, thank for watching my channel. This is Suryan chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel chemistry Valanand sir. Give more views, like and share, and don't skip the video. Don't skip the video and share it to those students who are aspirant of CBSE 2026 board examination. Thank you for watching. Good night, all of you.